The first tonight, a new way to help families in crisis. We know COVID increases depression, anxiety, and isolation for a lot of people, and that increases the risk of violence, both against self and others.
The federal government hoping now that a 3-digit phone number, 988, is going to make the National Crisis Hotline easier to reach. And this is a pressing issue since suicide is the 10th leading cause of death nationwide.
WCNC Charlotte's Lexi Wilson explains how this will hopefully save lives.
As Heather and Sean Bonner look at pictures of their son, the happy moments are what they hold most dear.
He would tell me how bad he was going to beat me, and then he would beat me.
Sean Paul Bonner Jr. was an athlete, a happy kid, popular, fearless, with his whole life ahead of him.
Kept thinking to myself, they must have the wrong person.
The most dreadful phone call of our lives.
It's been 4 years since they lost their son. While away at college, he took his own life. The pain of his loss is still too much to bear.
I learned to talk through it. I always cry.
Looking back, though, there were subtle warning signs.
He lost weight, he grew his hair out, he had facial hair, and what boy going off to college isn't like that?
Starting July 16th, there will be a new 3-digit hotline. Unlike 911, 988 will be answered by healthcare professionals instead of dispatchers. Advocates say that it could be a life-saving number, but is North Carolina ready?
North Carolina is absolutely ready, yes. It is hard for individuals, especially in a moment of emergency, to try to remember sort of a 10-digit thing that you're supposed to call. All North Carolinians know if they're experiencing a mental health crisis or a mental health emergency, they can call 988.
Now, this family finds comfort in helping others. They started Mission 34 in honor of their son to help prevent another family from living their pain.
Our mission is to talk about it so that we bring about awareness.
That it's okay to ask for help. It's okay to not be okay.
And perhaps soon that help will just be 3 digits away. Reporting for WCNC Charlotte, I'm Lexi Wilson.